Hi, and welcome to Phin. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to upload and distribute a policy within the Phin platform. So Phin actually has a tool that you can use to upload and distribute a custom policy to your end users through our LMS. And it could be a policy related to security awareness training. It could be something completely different. Any PDF that you want to upload and distribute, it'll go through the LMS. Users can view and acknowledge right there within the Phin platform. So to show you how to do this, we will first start by going to the left-hand nav menu and going to the policy section, clicking on policies, and then to upload one, go ahead and select library to upload a new policy. So once you're in library, you'll be able to see some of the policies that you've already uploaded. You'll select upload a custom policy, and you'll fill in details such as policy name and description. For this policy, I'm just going to type in policy 1, and this will be a policy for finance teams for this example. And then once you're ready, just upload your PDF here on the upload file section. And then once you're done with that, select finish. And so that is the policy that we just uploaded, policy 1, which is policy for finance. So now you want to distribute that policy to your end users. So you can preview the policy, what it'll look like, and then select your audience right here. You can see you have a few options here. Full company department supervisor can preview all the people that it's going to. Once you're ready, you'll go ahead and select distribute now. And so then it'll appear under active policy documents. You can see all the policies that are active. And then this is what the notification to the end user will look like. It'll be in their email, and they must acknowledge this in their LMS. And they can see it'll be under the assign tab in their LMS for them to view. They can see it and then click read, and then that will take them to the policy. Here you can see it's just test, and then they'll acknowledge that once they've read it. And then once they've acknowledged the policy, they are finished, and they've acknowledged it, and it will register in the user's analytics in Phin. Thank you very much for watching.